In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Notion. By the end, you'll be confidently creating internal links that make your workspace feel connected, organized, and fast to navigate, all using a simple typing shortcut. Here's the idea. In Notion, you can create a link to another page right in the middle of your text without breaking your flow. This is perfect for referencing notes, projects, databases, or meeting pages as you write. To do it, place your cursor anywhere in your page, inside a sentence, at the end of a paragraph, or even in a checklist item. Then type two left brackets back to back, like this. As soon as you do, Notion opens a quick search. Start typing the name of the page you want to link to, and you'll see suggestions appear in a dropdown. Keep typing until you spot the exact page you need, then press Enter to confirm the selection. Instantly, Notion inserts a clean internal link right where your cursor was, using the page's title as the link text. Now, whenever you click that link, you'll jump straight to the referenced page. If you prefer to keep your current page open, hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and click to open the link in a new tab within Notion. If you start typing and the page you want doesn't exist yet, Notion will show an option to create it directly from that same dropdown. Select it and Notion both creates the page and links to it in one go. This is a great way to capture ideas quickly without stopping your writing. You can flesh out the new page later, but the link is already in place. Don't worry if you pick the wrong page, just delete the link like regular text and try again. And if you later rename the destination page, your link automatically updates to reflect the new title, so your workspace stays consistent over time. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use clear, distinct page titles so suggestions are easy to scan. As you type after, even a partial title is enough to surface the right page, so you don't need to remember exact wording. You can add multiple links inside one sentence to connect related ideas, and you can use this same technique in any block type, from headings to callouts. That's it. Type. Start the page name, select the match, and you've created a powerful internal link that keeps your notes connected and your workflow streamlined. Give it a try on your next Notion page and watch your workspace become easier to explore.